Yeah. Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to explain about how to download and install Visual Studio Code. Using Visual Studio Code, we can develop the applications using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript as a basic developer. After that, by using the extensions, we can develop a Node applications, so jQuery applications, React.js applications, Angular, everything we can develop from the single platform Visual Studio Code. How can we download and install? Just open Google and type Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio Code download. Then here it is. It will show that official website code.visualstudiocode.com. Just click on that. So directly it will show the links based on your platform. We can download and install. Here it is. We are downloading the system installer, Windows. Right. So when you click on that, automatically the download will start. It is around 88 MB. So once the download has been started, right, when you just click on that, then automatically installation process will start. So here the download completed, and just click on that setup, then the installation will start. Accept the license agreement. No need to study all these things. Just click on next, and it will show that where it is installed, that location. Just click on next. Right here it is a Visual Studio Code. It will show like this. Create the desktop icon, and of course check all other things and click on next. Click on install. Then installation process will start. So once installation has been completed, then how can we execute the programs from the Visual Studio Code? As soon as it is completed, then it is showing that launch Visual Studio Code. So if you want to launch whenever you finish, then automatically that Visual Studio Code will launch. Here it is. Here you can check that. Right, this is the window by default. Get started. No need to work with this. Just close it. And here it is the Explorer, Package Explorer, where we can see that open folder. When you click on open folder, so what is the purpose of open folder? Right, what all the files which are related to a particular programming you are doing, suppose a HTML, JavaScript, TypeScript, right? For every programming related thing, we can create the separate folder. Just we are creating the folder, any location. For example, on my desktop, I'm creating the folder. Suppose here it is so my HTML practice. I'm doing just HTML. Select the folder, then automatically like it will just refresh and click on that. Yes, I trust. Right, this is the folder where we can write all applications. See, look at this. It will show that a new file. When you just click on that file, here you can give any name with the extension. For example, I'm creating that first.html. I'm giving. When you press enter, then here you can write your program like HTML start and end, and here it is a head location. If you want to give any title, then we can write the body location. Here you can write the heading tags, paragraph tags, and everything. H1, this is heading 1, and paragraph is everything we can do like this. Heading. As soon as it is completed, now we can save that. How can we execute means what? Where we have saved all these things on my desktop HTML, in that HTML folder. See, look at this. That HTML file appears right with the browser icon. Whenever you double click on that, then it will show. Just you can choose any one of the browsers by which you want to open. Just click on OK. See, it will show that heading 1. This is the simple way of downloading and installing that Visual Studio, right? And writing the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript codes. So whenever you want to work with the TypeScript, or if you want to work with Node.js, AngularJS, or React.js, how can we install extensions to this Visual Studio? We'll see in the coming videos. Thank you all.